Alright guys, as you can see right now, I've got 62 amps. The batteries are at 15 volts right now. They're flashing because I'm killing them. I'm just draining them all out for what they have before I switch over to the 18650s. This is the grid tie inverter that's doing it. Just feeding right back into the house, so it's tied up there. But just thought I'd give you guys a little update. So I'm just running these down. I've still got these ones over here that I got to bring back. 2 more there, and then I've taken these ones off as well. They're all going to be brought to the junk yard and scrapped for more batteries. This was the treadmill motor that I had made. It's just a DC generator for the most part, and all in all it puts out about 15-20 amps, 24 volts. But yeah, that's that little setup. And so all in all, right now all I'm doing is just dropping the voltage down on these and killing them before I take them in. So as you can see, they're supposed to be at 24 volts, so I'm just draining them down to almost nothing. They've put out 77 kilowatts within the past, I don't know, 3 or 4 days, and I'm just trying to kill them. But this is the inverter. Maybe one of you guys want to see the inside of it, so I'll open it up. Alright, there's the inside. Now I did have to replace this. The reason I had to replace this, and I actually had to replace 3 of those MOSFET boards. My own fault. I ended up having a loose connection on one of the other ends over here, and anyhow, I popped the MOSFETs down there. But all in all, it's a pretty good inverter. It'll do about 3,500 continuous. Will not do 6,000. It could do at peak. Beautiful toroid. They're worth getting just for the toroids themselves, to be honest with you. You can run them in parallel and get a little bit more efficiency out of these. I'll probably be doing that. But anyhow, so as you can see, it pumps out some juice for the most part. These I haven't had a problem with. They're great grid tie inverters. So just thought I'd let you guys see that. And my mess of junk where I do everything. I actually got a battery here I gotta replace. That one's almost there. Still charging. But I got this hooked up to a small little battery pack right here. I've got an AC charger that I built. It's not plugged in right now, but all that is a laptop charger with a buck boost converter, amp meter, charger, boost buck converter, so that way I can run a fan. in case this gets too hot. But this is just a solar line coming in from a 12-volt panel. As you can see, I've got 3 amps, might as well just say 3 amps due to losses. And so that's just coming in. That's running these. That one, I still gotta, this is the one I built yesterday. I just gotta put it into the circuit. And that's the one y'all just seen on the video. So my ultimate goal with these is not to how can I say it, use them for charging and discharging of 18650s. Like, I literally have a whole box of them right here that are dead. They are below 1 volt. Little wind turbine that I built. Got a solar panel on it. It's got a few circuits in it. I'll show you guys some more stuff about that later. I just got to replace the battery. It was a bad battery when I put it in there. But I was just hoping for the best. So anyhow, back to what I was saying with these is ultimately I want to put an Arduino on them and get it to where when my voltages go too high, once I build the power wall, I want this resistor, the Arduino, to signal this and tell it to cycle the energy out of the one cell that this is hooked up to and dump it back into the system. So that way we don't have a loss in resistors like they have in all the current BMSs. I'd rather take that energy, boost it back up to whatever you may need, 12 volt, 24, 48, so on and so forth, depending on your setup. But with these DC to DC isolators, I can see some potential with them so that we can isolate your circuits. They are a little expensive, but overall I think they'll be worth it. So I've set that up, but this is what I had planned for it. So there should be 20 of them total when they all get put in. So that's that. That's the idea behind it. And my next project is this. I had my one portable solar generator that I had built. My one made out of plexiglass. Well, unless I reinforce it with a bunch of aluminum brackets all around the corners, it's not too durable. So I went ahead and got this at Harbor Freight, and I'll just convert this to be able to hold everything inside of it, so that way I can have this as a portable generator. That'll be the new one.